This initial success is a dangerous trap, building a false sense of confidence that sets you up for a painful lesson. And that painful lesson brings us to level 2. The search for the Holy Grail. After your first significant loss, or maybe a series of them, the initial confidence shatters. Panique sets in. You become convinced that there must be some secret formula, some magical indicator that the pros are using and you just haven't found it yet. This is where the frantic search begins. You dive headfirst into everything you can find. Ichimoku clouds, Elliott waves, Fibonacci. Your charts become a chaotic mess of overlapping lines, with RSI, Makadi, and Bollinger Bands all screaming different signals at you. You might even spend thousands on expensive courses, hoping they hold the key. But every time you lose a trade, you blame the system and immediately jump to a new one. You're caught in a frustrating cycle. Learn, try, lose, and give up on the strategy, only to start all over again. This stage is exhausting, and it's where most aspiring traders burn out and quit for good. If you push through the despair of level 2, you might just have your aha moment. This is level 3. The emotional roller coaster is over. There's no wild excitement when you win, and no crushing despair when you lose. A loss is just a business expense, an expected part of the process. Before you even enter a trade, you know your exact entry point, your stop loss, and your target. You know exactly how much you stand to lose, and you're completely okay with that risk. Your account begins to grow, not in giant leaps, but slowly and steadily. And a strange thing happens. Trading becomes boring. That's right, boring. And that, my friend, is one of the biggest signs that you're finally on the path to success. The thrill is gone, replaced by the quiet confidence of professional execution. Finally, we reach the pinnacle. Level 5, Mastery in the Unconscious. This is the supreme level of trading. At this stage, trading has become second nature. As instinctive as breathing. You don't need to consciously analyze every little detail anymore. Your years of experience, the thousands of hours of screen time, have been ingrained into your very being. You can feel the rhythm of the market. You spot high-probability setups almost intuitively, like a martial arts master executing a perfect move without a single thought. You've become one with the flow of the market, and at this point, it's no longer about the money. The money is just a byproduct of your mastery. Your true goal becomes something much greater. Complete freedom of mind. The ability to operate at your peak potential, unburdened by fear or greed. So, let's be honest. Most people give up in the frustration of level 2. Only a tiny fraction, maybe 5%, persevered long enough to reach levels 4 and 5. The journey is long, and it tests every part of you. So, I have to ask, what level are you at right now? Be honest with yourself. Drop a comment below and let's discuss it. There's no shame in being at level 1 or 2. We all start there. The key is to know where you are, so you can focus on what it takes to get to the next stage. Remember, trading is a marathon, not a sprint. If you want to continue evolving on this journey with me, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.